Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. Got an update on the tool cart. This is the US General 5 drawer. Top here, we got extensions, sockets. We got 1/4 inch drive, 3/8 drive. The set here is new. This is the Tecton 6 to 24 millimeter 12-point set. In the back, we got 1/2 inch drive, Tecton. I also recently picked up the Quinn 1/2 inch drive low profile set here. Over on the sides of the tool cart, here's got a long screwdriver. We got the 10 millimeter essential socket set. The other side, we got gear wrench, trim tool. Really like that one. Got a breaker bar. We got some long ratchets, 1/2 inch drive, 3/8 drive, and then some more long screwdrivers. Okay, so that's the top. Really liking how this is turning out. And here we got ratchets, 1/4 to 3/8, 1/2 inch drive. Here we just have commonly used screwdrivers, pliers, cutters. Got some hammers here. Then the wrench drawer. I actually switched from toolbox widget to the Tecton wrench organizers. I was able to fit quite a bit more doing that. Did that on this box and the one I use at work. Got Craftsman here mostly, and then there's a little mix of Sonex and Tecton up to 26 millimeter. Got the long wrenches here. Icon bit set. There is labels for the Tecton organizers. I just haven't put them on yet. Picked this up recently. I got this one at work too. This is a wrench extender. I got this one because it's the only one I could find that actually has a good handle on it. I like using that one. Then over here, this is also new. I picked up the Icon stubby wrench set. And then we got the gear wrench. It's just the straight ones, non-reversible. So that's the wrench drawer. At the bottom, I actually stopped using the Makita impact driver for automotive work just because it's actually, this might sound funny, but it's actually too powerful. I've broken quite a few bolts with it, so this is the Milwaukee I was using at work. Got the newer one for at work, and then I brought this one home. Got the SK locking set here for the impact driver. I also got the Milwaukee magnetic bit driver right there. That works really good, real strong magnet. Got the Milwaukee 3/8 stubby. Just added that here. And then just like before, we got the Milwaukee 3/8 mid-torque and DeWalt 1/2 inch. And we got the Tecton 1/2 inch drive split beam torque wrench there. Okay. Then on the top here, I got the conversion tables from Tecton, inch to millimeter. I got both styles here. There's a couple more magnetic trays as well. Okay, that's going to do it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.